Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Drive for desktop and signing into your Google account. Do this now so syncing can begin immediately. Once installed, pick streaming if you want cloud-first access or mirroring to keep local copies. Make sure to enable two-step verification for security because syncing moves live data between devices and cloud. After that, select the specific folders on your PC or Mac you want included. This first choice defines bandwidth and storage use. Once done with installation, open Preferences and configure bandwidth limits so sync won't saturate your network during work hours. Next, map Drive folders to local paths and resolve naming conflicts now, because automatic duplicates can create version confusion later. Make exclusions for large file types you don't need synced, and set rules for syncing only on Wi-Fi or when plugged in to preserve mobile data and battery. These detailed settings control speed, storage, and version integrity. You finish by checking the sync status icons. Green means done, blue means syncing, and red indicates errors. If syncing stalls, force a manual sync or restart the Drive app. Make sure your account remains linked and re-authenticate if prompts appear. For persistent issues, clear the app cache, confirm sufficient disk space, and check file permissions because blocked files can halt progress. One key tip: if permissions look fine but files still fail, temporarily move the file out and back in to trigger a fresh upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.